who was in whose path.
Well, Kohli shifted ground to make contact.
As we witnessed this incident with Virat Kohli, what did you make of it, Junior?
Look, I don't want to preempt what might come of it, but to me, Virat Kohli changed his direction. If you watch him, he comes across on an angle to, I don't know whether he meant to make contact with Sam Konstas, but he did. So he pushed the line by walking so close to him. So it's not on you. You know, there's no physical contact in cricket. Whether he meant to do it or not, that's the question for the match referee to decide, Andy Pycroft. But I think there'll be some sort of suspension or some sort of reprimand at least that will come out of this.
Yeah, it's unnecessary, totally unnecessary. You don't want to see that, you know, and especially Virat's a senior player. He's been captain of the side. You know, he'll have his own explanations as regards that, but it's something you don't want to see. One person who will be watching, his eyes will be locked into the proceedings, Andy Pycroft.
Absolutely.